Hello my friends, today's topic is Transcendental Consciousness and the Field of Infinite Possibilities. All the creation, from animals to human beings, are trapped in three types of consciousness. Number 1, sleeping; 2, dreaming; and 3, awakening. In these three stages of consciousness, there are only stress, strain, sufferings, and mistakes. But the moment your mind transcends these three stages of consciousness and reach to the field of transcendental consciousness, then your all weakness becomes your strength. Your all odd realities becomes your field of opportunities. There is only success, there is no failure. In our Transcendental Consciousness workshop, we just take your mind to the field of Transcendental Consciousness, and then everything will be very fine. Everything will start happening on its own. For details of this subject, you can text me or you can call me. My number is given below in the description. And apart from that, the link of my blog, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter given below in the description. Please stay tuned with us. Namaste.